Welcome to the Piyush Digital Network dashboard. In this video, we will guide you through the process of releasing your music. Step 1. Manage credits. To begin your release, click on Manage Credits. Now, click on Add New Artist. If you are a new artist, tick the appropriate box. Otherwise, paste your Spotify artist profile link in the provided format and click on Add Artist. Once your artist profile is added successfully, it will appear on your screen. Step 2. Add songwriters. Next, click on Songwriters. Select the role, enter your legal name, not your stage name, and make your IPRS member selection. You may also paste your Instagram profile link here. This is optional. Once done, your artist credits are successfully added. Step 3. Create new release. Now, click on New Release. Select the required features. Type of release, number of tracks, album name, primary and secondary genres.
For content type, select Exclusive if your music contains original content. Select your primary artist and upload your cover art. Ensure it is exactly a 3000 by 3000 ratio, otherwise it will be rejected. Select your label and enter the C&P, copyright and phonographic, name. Select the primary mood of the release, then click Next. Step 4. Scheduling and audio upload. Select your release date. It must be at least 2 days from the time of upload. Now, upload your audio files. We accept MP3 and WAV formats only. If you need to convert your audio, click on the Clicking Here button to use our converter. Choose your file and wait for the upload to complete. Step 5. Metadata and final submission. After the track is uploaded, click Next. Confirm your metadata. Select the author, composer, writer, and producer names. Ensure you write at least one contributor's name with their role and paste your track's lyrics in the box provided. Click the Next button. If you have any requests regarding linking your Instagram profile or YouTube official channel, write them here and click the Submit button. Lastly, tick the confirmation box to verify your details. Your music has been uploaded successfully. Our team will process your release within 2 to 3 business days. Thank you for choosing Piyush Digital Network.